హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఈరోజు మనం మరికొన్ని ఆడిటింగ్ బిట్స్ అనేవి చూస్తున్నామండి. ఇవి జూనియర్ అకౌంట్ ఆఫీసర్కి ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడతాయి. అదేవిధంగా సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానివ్వండి, మరియు నెట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానివ్వండి, అలానే pg-cet mcom ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా ఇవి ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో మనం ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆడిటింగ్ బిట్స్ అనేవి చెక్ చేద్దామండి ఈరోజు. సో ఏ విధంగా వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి, ముఖ్యంగా జూనియర్ అకౌంట్ ఆఫీసర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మనకి సిలబస్ వచ్చేసి ముఖ్యంగా ఓచింగ్ వెరిఫికేషన్ గురించి, సో ఇంటర్నల్ చెక్, ఇంటర్నల్ కంట్రోల్ గురించి ఉన్నాయి. సో ఆ రెండు టాపిక్స్ జనరల్గా మనకి ఇక్కడ బిట్స్ అనేవి ఏ విధంగా వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉందో చూద్దాం. సో ఇంటర్నల్ కంట్రోల్ కంప్రైజెస్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. ఇంటర్నల్ కంట్రోల్ కంప్రైజెస్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఐటమ్స్ such as financial controls and administrative control. C, A and B. D, none. So our answer is A and B. So internal control comprises financial controls as well as administrative controls. That means internal control is helpful to not only the administrative control as well as financial control also. And go to next question. Internal control is established by the dash government or owners or management or creditors. So who is established the internal control here? Government? No. Owners? No. So our answer is the management. So internal control benefits. What are the internal control benefits? So it number A. Here A, option A is provide reliable data. Provide reliable data. Next, safeguarding assets and records. Safeguarding assets and records. Next, to promote operational efficiency. Answer D is all. So D is our answer. Here providing reliable data and safeguarding assets and records to promote operational efficiency. These three are comes under internal control benefits. That's why our answer is all. Which of the following principles of internal control? సో ఇక్కడ చెప్పిన దాంట్లో ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నల్ కంట్రోల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఏంటి? కంపిటెంట్ అండ్ ట్రస్ట్వర్తీ ఆఫ్ పర్సోనల్, కంపిటెంట్ అండ్ ట్రస్ట్వర్తీ ఆఫ్ పర్సోనల్, రికార్డ్స్ కామా ఫినాన్షియల్ అండ్ అదర్ ఆర్గనైజేషనల్ ప్లాన్స్, సి ఆర్గనైజేషనల్ ప్లాన్స్, డి segregation of duties, E supervision. So these are all comes under internal control. So our answer is F, all. For a practice purpose only I put here more options, but in our examination only there are 4 options. For practice purpose only I am putting here more than 4 options. That's why I told you. Next, go to another question. Which areas are we can say it is also scope of internal control. Okay, which areas or scope of internal control covers following items? The scope of internal control or the coverage area of internal control. Okay, option A, general financial control. B, cash control. C, control over trading transactions. D, control over employees remuneration. E, employees expenditure and control. And next, F is all. So this is our answer. So general financial control is and cash control and controlling trade transactions of the as well as control over employees remuneration. So employee remuneration మీద control ఉంటుంది, trading transaction మీద control ఉంటుంది, financial control ఉంటుంది, as well as cash control కూడా ఉంటుంది, as well as capital expenditure control కూడా ఉంటుంది. So all the areas covered in this particular internal control. So how many types of internal control? How many types of internal controls? Option A, physical controls. Option B, administrative controls. Option C, accounting controls. D, option D, all. So our answer is all. Physical controls, administrative controls and accounting controls. So internal controls covers how many types? These are the types. Which of the following are benefits of internal check of the business? So which of the following benefits of internal check of the business? So internal check వల్ల వచ్చేటువంటి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏమున్నాయి బిజినెస్ కి? Division of work, detection of errors and frauds, moral check and all. So all is our answer. So division of work is possible, moral check is also possible, division of errors and frauds also possible. So our answer is all. And what are the objectives of internal check? What are the main objectives of internal check? A. Moral pressure over staff. Moral pressure, immoral pressure kaadu, moral pressure of over staff, and minimize the chances of errors and frauds. And option C, increase the efficiency of the clerks. And D is all. So our answer is all. So we are reducing the, sorry, we are going to pressure, moral pressure, ethical measure over the staff by internal check, as well as minimizing the errors and frauds by internal check, as well as increasing the efficiency of the clerk also internal check. So these are the options helpful to objectives of internal check. These are the objective of set up internal check in our business. Okay, and next question is see here, which of the following principles of good system of internal check, which of the following principles of good system of internal check? Option, rotation of employees, responsibility, supervision, and option D, all. So this is our answer. Okay, so rotation, that means changing of employees, rotate the employees and making responsible them and supervise them, which is helpful to good system of internal check. And what are the benefits of internal check to auditors point of view? So what are the benefits getting from the internal check in auditors point of view? Option A, time saving process. Option B, time consuming process. So our answer is here, only I put two options, time saving process, time consuming process. So time saving process is our answer. So by internal check, we are auditors point of view, so many statements are already checked, so it is helpful to auditor time saving process. Okay, next, internal check suitable for small business or big business. So internal check is suitable to small business or big business? Big business. Our answer is big business, because small firms are not we can say not affordable to expenditure on the internal check, because it is linked with expenses. So only big businesses are affordable to internal check, spent on affordable to internal check. Okay, so that's why our answer is big business houses. Next, 12 of watching means. Watching means testing the truth of the items, appearing in the books of original entry, which is defined by who is. So which author is defining, which author give definition? Watching means testing the truth of items appearing in the books of original entry, which is defined by Dixie, J.R. Betley Boy, okay, Betley Boy, L.I.B.Y., Betley Boy, or Taylor or Perry. So here our answer is Betley Boy, J.R. Betley Boy. So in examination, okay, in examination point of view, so we need to focus on definitions also. Okay, some definitions are match the following, given some definitions and match the others under. So kabatti you should focus on the definitions of important definitions. So here watching means testing the truth of the items appearing in the books of original entry, which is defined by whom means here our answer is J.R. Betley Boy. Next, next question is examining documentary evidence. Examining documentary evidence to certain the authenticity of the entries in the books of accounts is called. Okay, authenticity is checked in the books of entries. Okay, it is called internal audit, internal check, or internal control, or watching. Here our answer is internal audit, no. Here internal check, no. Internal control, no. So our answer is only watching. So watching is examining the documentary evidence to certain authenticity of the entries in the books of accounts is called watching. So here our answer is watching. Okay, go to next question. Here. So what is it? See here. Next question is, which of the following are main objectives? Which of the following are main objectives of watching? Okay, which of the following are the main objectives of watching? Distinction between the revenue, expenditure, and capital items, totals, Okay, next option is totals and carry forwards. Should focus on the totals and carry forwards. And the dates and of vouchers. Dates of vouchers. D, all. So our answer is all. So we should focus on the revenue items and capital items. Make difference between the capital and revenue items, as well as should focus on the totals and carry forwards and the dates of the vouchers also. So our answer is all. Next question is the success of audit depends upon mainly which of the following: internal check, internal control, watching, and internal auditing. The success of the audit depends upon mainly which of the following: internal check, internal control, watching, or internal auditing. Our answer is watching. Okay, which of the following is backbone of the auditing? Which of the following is backbone of the auditing? Internal control, internal check, internal auditing, or watching? So our answer is watching. So here our answer is watching. What are the examples of primary vouchers? What are the examples of primary vouchers? Cash memo, purchase invoice, A and B, or none? So our answer is A and B. So what are the examples of primary vouchers? Okay, primary vouchers means original vouchers. Okay, cash memo and purchase invoice. These are the example for primary vouchers. Go to next question. Okay, go to next question. See here, collateral vouchers means here. Collateral vouchers means original evidence. Option A, original evidence. Option B, copies of original evidences. Option C, A and B. D, none. So our answer is copies of original evidences. Simply you can say carbon papers of original evidences is called collateral vouchers. Next question, for cash payments, which of the following vouchers are used? For cash payments, which of the following vouchers are used? Cash memos, pay sheet, A and B, D, none. Our answer is A and B. Cash memos and pay sheet are used for cash payments. Okay, for watching of cash payments, we are used cash memos and pay sheet. So our answer is A and B. Go to next question. If purchase returns from the company, then it receive dash from the supplier, credit note, debit note, A and B, none. Our see here, the company is returning goods to the supplier. Okay, the supplier. So it is receiving from the supplier credit note. The company is receiving credit note from the supplier. So our answer is credit note. As well as next question, if customer returns the goods, to the company. Okay, here, see here. If customer returns the goods to the company issue, okay, dash to the customer, credit note, debit note, A and B, none. So our answer is here also credit note. Here the company issuing the credit note to the customer. Here the company is getting the credit note from the supplier. That is the difference. That is purchase returns. This is sales returns. Okay, next question. Go to next question. Here, see here, which of the entries recorded in the journal proper? See, adjustment entries, transfer entries, purchase and sale of assets, allotment of shares, consignment and joint venture transactions, dishonor of bills, opening and closing entries, depreciation, interest. I all. So here practice purpose only I put more options. Our answer is all. So these are all the entries recorded in our journal proper. Okay, journal proper lo purchase return, sales return, okay na, bills receivable, bills payable. ఆ సబ్సిడీ బుక్స్ కాకుండా మిగతా బుక్ ఏముంటుంది మనకి రాయాల్సిందంటే జర్నల్ ప్రాపర్. ఈ జర్నల్ ప్రాపర్లో ఏం చేస్తామండి మనం? జర్నల్ ప్రాపర్లో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఎంట్రీ రాస్తాము, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఎంట్రీస్ రాస్తాము, పర్చేజ్ అండ్ సేల్ ఆఫ్ అసెట్స్ రాస్తాము, అలాట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ రాస్తాము, కన్సైన్మెంట్ అండ్ జాయింట్ వెంచర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ రాస్తాము, బిల్స్ డిజానర్ రాస్తాము, ఓపెనింగ్ క్లోజింగ్ అండ్ ఎంట్రీస్ రాస్తాము, డిప్రిసియేషన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్కి సంబంధించిన ఎంట్రీస్ కూడా జర్నల్ ప్రాపర్లో మనం పోస్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. So go to next question here. See here, how would you proceed in case of payment of income tax? How would you proceed in case of payment of income tax? So dash option assessment order, demand notice, passbook, all. So our answer is all. You need assessment order, demand notice and passbook to proceed in case of payment of income tax. Okay, కోచింగ్ అక్కడ చెక్ చేసేటప్పుడు వెరిఫికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా వీ షుడ్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద పాసిబుల్ అండ్ డిమాండ్ నోటీస్ అండ్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఆర్డర్ ఫర్ చెకింగ్ ఆఫ్ వెరిఫికేషన్. ఓకే, ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ పర్చేస్ ఆఫ్ బిల్డింగ్ అండ్ ల్యాండ్, okay, in case of purchase of building and land, what auditor should study, what auditor should study in above case, payment of income tax, assessment order and demand notice and passbook. So our answer is all. Here also, in case of purchase of building and land, what auditor should study, title of the deeds, receipts, contract, D, all. So our answer is all. Practice purpose only I put here all the options as all, but in examination point of view somebody is missing, some option is missing, sorry, ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఒక ఆప్షన్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా అతను మిస్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, వాట్ షుడ్ స్టడీ అన్నాడు. సో స్టడీ చేయండి కూడా ఇక్కడ ఇస్తాడు, స్టడీ చేసిన ఇస్తాడు. దాంట్లో స్టడీ చేయండి కనుక్కోమనొచ్చు లేదా స్టడీ చేసే కనుక్కోమనొచ్చు. టైటిల్ చూడాలి అంటే ఆ యొక్క ల్యాండ్ అండ్ బిల్డింగ్ ఎవరిది టైటిల్ చూడాలి. సో అది కొన్న దానికి సంబంధించిన రిసిప్ట్ చూడాలి. సో ఆ కాంట్రాక్ట్ అనేది ఏ విధంగా చేసుకున్నారో కూడా చూడాలి. ఫ్రీ హోల్డా, లీజ్ హోల్డా అనేది కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. అదేవిధంగా నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, అబ్రివేట్ ద వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్సిఏపి. వాట్ యూ మీన్ బై ఎస్సిఏపి? See here, option A, standard auditing practices, standard accountancy policy. So which is our answer here? A is our answer, standard auditing practices. Go to next question. See here, collateral voucher means, collateral voucher means original evidence, okay, original evidence or copies of original evidences. So already I told these questions. So go to next question. So after 22 questions, 25 questions, we are going to see 26 question. So next question is, see here, just write. So which of the following items requires, which of the following items requires physical verification? Cash in hand, bills receivable, plant and machinery. PM means plant and machinery, L and B means land and buildings, D is all. So our answer is all. So cash in hand and bills receivable, plant and machinery, land and buildings requires physical verification. The methods of valuation of assets taken place, which of the following ways? Methods of valuation of assets taken place by which of the following ways? Cost price, market value, replacement value, book value, token or going concern value, or historical value, or scrap value, or realizable value, and last option is H is all. So answer is all. For practice purpose only I put here all options. Okay, we are based on the cost price, we are going to evaluate, we are going based on the market value, we are going to evaluate, replacement value is going to evaluate, book value, select any one. But how many methods we have to calculate the valuation of the assets means cost price, market value, replacement value, book value, token value, or it is also called going concern value, or is also called as historical value, scrap value, realizable value, as well as all. So our answer is all. So watching and verification and valuation are same. See here, watching, is it correct? Watching and verification and valuation both all the same things? No. Is it true or false? Is it yes? No. Option A yes, option B no, option C cannot be determined. Okay, I put only 3 options, yes, no, or cannot be determined. No, watching is different, verification is different, valuation is different. Okay, and next question is preliminary expenses are, next question is preliminary expenses are revenue expenses, mean revenue expenditure or capital expenditure. So our answer is capital expenditure. So next question is watching is done throughout the year. See here, only 2 options, true or false. Watching is done throughout the year, true or false? It's true. Okay, watching is done throughout the year, true. Our answer is true. So please subscribe my YouTube channel for more commerce videos about regarding junior account officer examinations, as well as pg-cet mcom examinations, as well as CA CPT and BCom and MCom and MBA and BBA classes. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will put more videos in my YouTube channel in further, as well as competitive exams also, arithmetic, reasoning, computer awareness. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video once again.